Pre-show anticipation!
Mom.
So excited!
I totally forgot what that did.
I don't know why those lights from
Oh
those,
my God,
that
I wonder-
car is facing us, but that is irritating.
So I'm like, oh, I wonder what this does. And I blow on it, and I'm like, whoa, now I know what it does.
I know, right? There you go. I had your back, Teresa. I was all over people going close to you.
There's T.
Sorry, that was
shirt in, so I don't.
That was Alicia's burp.
Sorry.
That's going to be posted to
Sorry.
YouTube.
At least I can't smell it.
That's good.
He's way up there.
I got a blanket for him.
Ooh.
Oh, sweet.
He's way over there.
Teresa,
That way.
your daughter wants you.
Because he's a retard. He's trying to get the pictures.
Well, he was freezing, I guess.
Yeah,
Yes.
he is. He's way the hell up there.
How am I going to find him?
You'll find him. He's the only one sitting up there.
No, there's a billion
Bill.
sitting up there.
Where's my daughter?
Bill?
She's in. Over there. I can see.
Tahoe.
He's way past that Jeep back there.
Okay. Pre-show anticipation. The guys look like they're getting ready. I'm excited.
The further away, the better stop to get.
Yes,
That's
Tracy,
the PP
I got
can.
your back. I'll make sure nobody comes in.
No.
Go for it. I got your back. I'll make sure people will come
She's
in.
giving Bill a blankie.
Go pee. Go pee.
Because he's